Hi everyone, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm here with Jake Isham and we are going to be painting some Christmas ornaments today. Now these ones are not just the round ball ornaments, they're the flat disc ones, and I'm pretty excited about these. We're going to be doing beach themed colors on here, and we are going to use the Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint. So because these would be upside down, theoretically, I want the water to be on the top and the sand to be on the bottom. Now, they're going to keep moving, so there's no way to guarantee kind of that you do that. But I'm going to pour these one at a time. And so I'm going to put very little amounts. I'm so used to starting with white, but I don't need to. I'm going to put very little amounts of paint in here. So this one is the bright blue, even though it is a very dark blue. This one is the phthalo blue, so it's actually a little bit lighter. I'm going to throw a little bit of this purple in here. I did it backwards. That's okay. We're going to go with it. And then this is like a teal, turquoise, aqua green. Okay, aqua green. Then white. And then gold. So I should have put the gold in first because that's what would come out last. But now it's what's going to come out first. That's okay.
This first one will be upside down beach.
Yeah, that's okay. We're not going for like a perfect like pattern. So it's just going to be beach colored, and that's okay. It's still going to be gorgeous. So just kind of pouring back and forth here. And as you can see, we have parchment paper underneath ours to catch the drips. I'm just going to pour some of this excess on the next one. And that was a pretty good measurement of the color, but I think I could use even a little bit less.
Oh, I think I did.
You need a little bit more.
Dang it.
So that's okay. So now we're going to fill it up in reverse. So we're going to start with gold.
Okay.
Then go with white. Then a little bit of this aqua green.
I'll skip this one for now. Gold, white.
Then the purple. You don't have to use purple. That's not really a beach color, but I'm putting a little in there.
I'm skipping on the purple. That's probably why I don't have enough.
Ah, this one.
That one?
Phthalo blue, then the bright blue last. Okay. So let's see how this comes out if I end up with that gold near the top, which is what I'm going for. And have you done any ornaments, Jake, or are these?
I've never done ornaments.
Okay, well this is your first then. Yay. All right. Where's
you and I are
gold
pouring in different directions.
Oh yeah. Totally different. Oh, how funny. Yours are going to come out super different. Wow, my gold didn't come out at all.
Mine barely came out too.
How rude. I'm going to just add a little more gold to my bowl and then pour it again. Okay, I actually like my first one better. Color-wise, I think. So, that's okay.
Ah.
Alright, going on to the next one. Now, for anyone doing these themselves, if you miss any spots, you can touch them up with your hands, or you can just go ahead and pour more paint.
Oh, I should have done gold then white.
That's okay. So we're going to go ahead and do the other two of ours. I'll probably speed this part up. Okay, we are all done with these. The paint is going to continue to drip down, and these will actually be dry generally within a few hours. We're going to come back tomorrow and show you how they look completely dry. I'll take them off and put some ribbons in them, and we'll see how they look, so we'll be back. Oh, and don't forget to check out Jake's channel in case I forget to say it later.
Do you want me to touch this up a little bit here?
Yeah. All right, so these are completely dry. I'm filming this outside because there's just way too much noise everywhere inside. So while I don't think they necessarily look like beaches, the gold actually really hid more than I wanted to. I still think that they are gorgeous. And these are actually going to be for my patrons. So I will be adding MMG 2020 on these and then sealing them. So if any of you are my patrons, surprise! Anyways, I'm very happy with how they came out. I think they're great, super easy, and great gifts. Do them with the whole family, any colors you want to use. And I will generally seal these with the Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear enamel spray. But you can, seal them with other varnishes or even with resin if you would like. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out Jake's channel. It'll be in the description. And I'll see you all next time.